Greetings to you all LinkedIn enthusiasts. This is the video where we're going to unravel the secrets of photo removal on LinkedIn. Stay tuned because we're about to make managing your profile a breeze. Ever found yourself in a pickle with a photo you regret posting on LinkedIn? Don't you worry, we've got you covered with our guide to photo removal. Let's start with the basics. Removing a photo from your LinkedIn profile. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First things first, head to your profile page, hover over your profile photo, click the three-dot icon and select delete this photo from the drop-down menu. But what about those pesky photos in your LinkedIn posts? Can they be removed too? Unfortunately, when it comes to post photos, it's a bit trickier. You'll have to delete the entire post and start anew. To do so, simply click on the three-dot icon on the post, select delete post and confirm your choice. Just like that, it's gone. Now you might wonder if you can delete a photo message you have already sent to someone. I should say that yes, you can do so by holding on the photo you have sent and simply click on the delete option. So whether you're tidying up your profile, refining your posts, or streamlining your messages, now you're armed with the knowledge to effortlessly manage your photos on LinkedIn. Until next time, keep networking like a pro.